Okay, so we're carrying on with a big food forest, and part of what we're doing here now is this is going to be a terrace. We're going to be terracing it from, we've got that one terrace that Derek helped me with the other day. So I put in a swale down here to catch some of the water. This, I don't know if you can see the line, but right there is the line. This is where the road going down is going to be. So we don't want to come into this side. So we're going to terrace that part next. But first, I want to do this part here where Leo is helping me. There's going to be another swell down there. And because this is heavy clay, all the water would just whoosh off into down to the ditch over there, and it'll be gone from the farm. So what we're doing here now is this is the first step, like I explained with the terrace over there. You first go and you level out one part as deep as what you need to go, and to get enough material to go as far as you need to go, and then from there you just start chipping away to the side. So that is going to be the next step that's being done, or that's what's being done here at the moment. That's what you call a permaculture dog, helping to grow, to dig swales.
Here we go. Back on.
Yeah, so this is very cool. Yeah, we're busy leveling some terraces here, and a little dog decided to come and help us. This is how far we are. This was earlier today, and this is the last half an hour or so we've been working on this one, and we finally got some help. Beautiful. There you go. So these were terraces, the ones that you see here that are newly dug. These are terraces, these ones. This is a little swale that we made yesterday. All of this work was done yesterday. Here's another one. And here's a little swale that I dug a while back. And then this was the third terrace of yesterday. So there you go. So this is the work that was done yesterday. And so I started here now. I marked this swale off previously, but I only started really digging it this morning. Okay, so we have this terraces and swales here. I'm busy digging out this swale that you see here. That hole used to be a little pond years ago. We decided we're going to deepen and widen this thing considerably. So we're going to, from here where Derek is standing, you see there's the beginning. We're going to take the pond up and around up to there, and then we're going to bring it down all the way to here. And we're going to see if we can, how deep can we get this thing? Maybe if we could get this a meter deep, I'd be very, very happy. But it's very hard, rocky ground this, and we need to see what's under this, because I know that when we dug those swales over there with the JCB, we had about 50 centimeters of rocky ground, and then we hit a solid clay bank. I don't know what's going on under here. We'll need to see when we get there. But if this thing does work and we can get it with some water, it's going to catch a significant amount of water. And that water will then be pretty good, because we'll be able to moisturize or hydrate, whatever you want to call it, this entire area down here, because the water is going to flow down here. It's going to create a beautiful water plume. So all that hard work of a month ago, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Swales are all full. Thanks for watching, And if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.